Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dropbox Smart Sync for faster file access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Dropbox Smart Sync, first, ensure you have a Dropbox account. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Dropbox website. Log in with your Dropbox credentials. Once logged in, locate the download section on the website. Click on the download button for the Dropbox application. Wait for the download to complete. Find the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Dropbox. Once installation is complete, open the Dropbox application. Log into your Dropbox account again if prompted. Now, go to your Dropbox preferences. Click on the Sync tab. Here, you will find the option for Smart Sync. Select Smart Sync to enable it. You can choose to sync files on demand or keep them local. Now, you'll be able to access your files more quickly. Explore your folder structure to see which files are available for Smart Sync. You'll notice that files are marked as online only or local storage. Enjoy faster file access with Dropbox Smart Sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.